What's up everybody? In this video, Revo, Traxxas Revo with the Ultimate M5 0.21 Novarossi P5 based engine, modified, same as this one. So I modified this engine to get it to run as a non-road engine, and it runs great in the GT. We'll see how it runs in the Revo. First, with this old pipe, I'm not even sure what the brand is. I think it's an RB pipe. I always use this pipe in the Revo as it gets debris from the front wheel, and I don't want my nice pipes to get damaged by those debris. But I still want to try the Hypex 2135, and you will see that it's not perfect yet. I had some issues, but we will talk about that later in the video.
Alright, so I'm running the same gear ratio as I was running with the Force 28 Max, and that Force 28 is making more torque. But that's not a surprise. I modified this engine to get it to run as a non-road engine. And I think that this is definitely not the best engine and pipe combo. I need a shorter gear ratio. And a different pipe. Ultimate M5 Revo, second attempt. This time with the Hypex 2135 and a slightly shorter gear ratio. I was running a 36 teeth spur gear, and this time it's 38. she starts acting weird again. And I'm gonna tell you why. My receiver battery is done. I don't use this truck very often, so my batteries died. And the throttle servo is too weak, too slow to open the carb.
That was the Revo with the Ultimate M5, 0.21, race 0.21. We always do very good in Revo. The Revo is a very lightweight truck, especially this one with the carbon fiber chassis and titanium parts like turnbuckles and all that stuff. It was doing perfect with the 38 spur gear. And what else can I say? Yeah, the battery died. This battery is not holding the charge anymore, so I need to buy new batteries for my Revo. The Hypex 2135 was doing much better than this old pipe. Look at that, you can't even see the brand anymore. But I still have to work on the throttle linkage. This is a bit sketchy, and yeah, it's not perfect. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I see you very soon in the next one.